Hi, I'm Bev from the TravelWellGuide, and today I'm looking at whether the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera is useful for a beginner vlogger, which is me. Can't turn it off. I'm quite curious to see how the mic performs in a street where there tends to be quite a bit of traffic going by. I've been trying to use my phone as well. On the app, I can see myself and I have some control. I had hoped it would be better. Earlier, I did see if I could set myself up to track myself, and I pretty much failed at that. Finding that it's pretty easy to hold the camera. I feel pretty comfortable talking into it. As a beginner vlogger, I think that's really important. You know, it's not very intimidating. You're looking at yourself, you've got a small screen, you can always see yourself. The camera is just there, but it's not big and bulky and obtrusive. You know, I feel like I could quite comfortably walk through a crowd. And tomorrow morning, I'm going to go down to Salamanca markets and I'm going to see what it's like to walk through the crowd there. I have my Pocket 3. Let's see if I'm brave enough to walk through a crowd. So it's a grey day in Hobart. There's lots of people, lots of tourists here. It's all quite busy. Do I think that this camera is useful for a beginner vlogger? And I think the answer is undoubtedly a yes. It's quite simple to use, though some of the more advanced features are a little bit tricky to try and set up on the go. But no doubt I will improve in time. Let's hope so anyway. The screen is really nice just to be able to see yourself, to kind of get that immediate feedback. I'm using the little microphone, and that seems quite clear. I have noticed that I keep putting it on my shirt and then I keep forgetting to turn it on. So that's a bit of a problem and something that I'm going to have to improve with. Lots of good things, and most of the things that aren't working are to do with me rather than to do with the camera.